Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to the UTeach Consult Diaries. Today we have a question in front of us, and the question is, what is the solution formula in Excel for a discount of 30% for sales greater than or equal to 3,000? And here what we are going to use, or the Excel functions or formula we are going to use, will be the if function, and we will also apply the absolute referencing. Shall we move straight to the solution? So we go to the discount price, we introduce our formula by an equal sign, we have the if function. So we are saying if sales is greater than or equal to the discount amount, which is 3,000, absolute referencing, then we should have the sales, that's if the logic is true, we should have the sales times 1 minus the discount. The one represent the full sales amount minus 30%, which will be absolute referencing. We close our parentheses, comma, and if it's false or not true, then should return the sales value. So we are saying that if the sales is equal to or greater than the discount amount, then we should multiply the sales by 1 less the discount percentage, and if it's false, we should just apply the sales value. So we enter, and that's the value for the first one. You can see that 4,500 is more than 3,000. That's why we have applied the 30%. When you apply the 30% to the 4,500, we have 3,150. When we drag it down, you see that automatically it applies for all. So you can see that at a place where we have 6,000, the discounted of 30% is applied. What it means is that the sales of 6,000, the person will really pay for it at a price of 4,200. In a situation where we have the sales to be 2,300, we see that since it's less than 3,000, it means no discounts will be applied. So you can see that the discount price is still the same as the sales price. Thank you very much for following us, and continue to watch us on our channel YouTube. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.